Welcome back to Medico IQ. In today's video, we're talking about an issue that affects millions of women, thyroid problems. Let's dive into how to control thyroid in female naturally and effectively. Welcome to Medico IQ, your trusted space for health tips, medical facts, and wellness insights. Subscribe and stay informed to live healthier every day. The thyroid is a small butterfly-shaped gland in your neck. It produces hormones that control your metabolism, energy levels, and more. When it's not working properly, it leads to two major conditions: hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism. Causes of thyroid problems in women. First causes as autoimmune diseases like Hashimoto's or Graves' disease. Second causes as pregnancy-related hormonal changes. Third causes as iodine deficiency. Fourth causes as stress or lifestyle imbalance. Last one is genetic factors. Common thyroid symptoms in females. First symptoms as weight gain or weight loss. Second symptoms as fatigue and weakness. Third symptoms as irregular periods. Fourth symptoms as hair thinning or hair loss. Fifth symptoms as anxiety or depression. Sixth symptoms as cold or heat sensitivity. Seventh symptoms as dry skin or brittle nails. Diagnosis of thyroid. A simple blood test called TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, helps diagnose thyroid issues. A simple blood test called TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, helps diagnose thyroid issues. How to control thyroid in female naturally. Now, let's look at how to control thyroid in female with lifestyle and diet changes. Eat iodine-rich foods like eggs, yogurt, fish, or iodized salt. Eat selenium or zinc found in nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Avoid goitrogens in excess like raw cabbage, broccoli, and soy. Manage stress through yoga, meditation, and deep breathing. Exercise regularly. Brisk walking, strength training, or light yoga. Stay consistent with medication. Take thyroid meds on an empty stomach if prescribed. Regular checkups. Track hormone levels every 3-6 months. Home remedies to control thyroid in female. Ashwagandha adaptogenic herb to balance hormones. Coconut oil supports metabolism, 1 spoon daily. Turmeric milk anti-inflammatory benefits. Ginger tea helps reduce thyroid inflammation. Flax seeds rich in omega-3. Yoga poses like shoulder stand, Sarvangasana, fish pose, Matsyasana, and deep breathing. Note: these are supportive remedies, not replacements for medical treatment. Medication treatment. For hypothyroidism, doctors often prescribe levothyroxine, a synthetic thyroid hormone. For hyperthyroidism, treatments may include antithyroid drugs like methimazole beta blockers to control symptoms. In some cases, radioactive iodine therapy or surgery may be needed. Note: always follow your doctor's instructions and never self-medicate. Thyroid issues in women are common but manageable. Now you know how to control thyroid in female naturally with smart habits, proper nutrition, and regular checkups. Thanks for watching Medico IQ. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trusted health content. Stay healthy and stay informed.